Today's lesson is 4.5 in our Go Math practice book. We're on page 87, and we are reviewing how to model and record two-digit addition. The directions say to draw quick pictures to help you solve and then write the sum. So we are adding 38 plus 17. So first we're going to make our 38 and 8, and then our 17 is 110 and 7 ones. So first you need to look at your ones and see, can you make a 10? If you can, then you need to circle the ones that you need, draw an arrow, put them up with the other ones, and then move your 10 to the tens place to find your answer. Number 5 on the bottom says there were 37 children at the park on Saturday and 25 children at the park on Sunday. How many children were at the park on those 2 days? We're going to make our T to be able to write our number problem. So they're looking for a total here of 37 and 25. You need to draw the line and your plus sign because you're going to add. So over here we're going to make a larger T so that we can do our illustrating with our quick picture. 37, 1, 2, 3, and 7, and then 25. So look in your ones place. Can you make a group of 10? If you can, circle them and put them up with the other group, and then regroup and put your 10 over in the tens place to get your answer. Go to the back. On this side it is asking, what is the sum? What is the sum? So we're going to look at 34 plus 28. Let's go to our ones, just as we would if we had a quick picture, and let's add our ones. 4 plus 8. How much is that? We're going to put that answer on the side here. That's a 12. So in the number 12, which digit is in the ones place? The 2 is. We're going to put that here in the ones place, and we're going to put our 110 up here in the tens place, and then you need to add your tens to find your answer. Number 2, 43 plus 27. Let's look at our ones. 3 plus 7, how much is that? That's 10. I'm going to put that on the side. So which digit is in the ones place? The 0 is, so we're going to put that here. And then we need to take our 110 and put that up here, and you need to add all of your tens to see what your answer would be. Number 3, Adam collected 14 pennies in the first week and 9 pennies in the second week. How many more pennies did he collect in the first week than in the second week? That's that important math question. How many more? What does that tell you to do? How many more? So you need to write a number sentence. You can do that right down here in the bottom of your box to find the answer for how many more. Number 4, what is the sum? You're going to add these 3 digits together, and when you're adding 3 digits you have to add 2 first. So decide which 2 you want to add, draw a circle around them, and right above it how much that is, and then add in the 3rd digit. Number 5, Janet has 5 marbles. She finds double that number of marbles in her art box. How many marbles does Janet have right now? Let's look at this one. I've had some students that had difficulty with this, so we're going to look at this together. Janet has 5 marbles. So we know she has 5. She finds double that number of marbles in her art box. So what's the double of 5? You need to figure that out. And then figure out how many marbles does Janet have now. So she has 5, and then she finds double that. Put that answer there, and then add them together to get the final answer. And number 6, what is the difference? 13 minus 5. A difference is the answer you get when you subtract. So what is 13 minus 5? Find the difference and fill in the dot. And when you have done all of that, your assignment is done.